When it comes to OT and cyber-physical security, manufacturers are facing significant risk. From unplanned factory downtime resulting from unauthorized system access, to compromised human safety, and even impacts to the physical environment itself that surround those processes. With the physical and digital worlds becoming ever more intertwined, cyber exposure is greater than ever. Manufacturers must continue to focus on securing their IT and OT environments to reduce risk, while allowing for operational transformation and business growth. We help our clients reduce operational risks and defend systems against cyber threats, improve visibility to and understanding of technology assets, and establish monitoring programs, and increase cyber readiness and resilience. Deloitte's industry professionals can support across a breadth of capabilities. Here at the Smart Factory by Deloitte at Wichita, we have a unique experiential space to collaborate and explore how to achieve your OT cybersecurity goals. Let's talk about how Deloitte can help your organization secure and defend your OT ecosystem.